His Teddy eating his chippy. Crunchy, huh? Eat it again. Eat your chip.
Come on, Nico, I can't find it. It's not crunchy.
Using your 4 teeth to bite that, buddy? Is it yummy? Mr. 8-month-old, 8 months and a half. 8 months and a half. What am I saying? 8 months and 2 weeks.
What minute?
Watch, let me see. Let me do it for you. I want to see you crunch it. Come on! Watch.
I'm not in it.
Alright, you do yourself. Here. Sorry, here.
I see somebody's name.
Yummy.
Let me see. I didn't see somebody's name.
Crunchy?
Oh.
Wait for me.
This.
Ooh, crunchy. Come back to me.
Yeah.
Bye.
I see